How to type on your computer or your laptop. So to give you an very easy tutorial, what I will do is I will go in my search bar and search for my off control keyboard. And after searching for my off control keyboard, that is simply an app where you will be able to see my keyboard when I use it in my laptop or my computer. So what we can do is we will have to click on the shift and the two option at the same time. So we will be able to click on the add the rate. If you just click on the two option where add the rate is available, you won't be able to type the add the rate option. You have to make sure to click on the shift and two option at the same time, then you'll be able to do that. You will be able to click on your add the rate option, and that is how you can type add the rate on your computer or your laptop. So if you have any question, please comment down below.